Today, Freeman Health System officials held a ceremony celebrating that $14 million oncology services expansion in Pittsburgh. The facility will provide comprehensive, high-quality cancer care in southeast Kansas. KOAM's Samantha Walker has more on why officials say an expansion like this has become a necessity for community members.
Expanding access to high-quality health care to all of the communities that we serve, and doing that in a sustainable and responsible way. This is how we do that.
Less than 2 weeks after Freeman Health System announced it was backing out of a plan to develop a new hospital in southeast Kansas, saying it couldn't move forward responsibly, officials echoed the importance of responsibility as they celebrate a separate expansion in Pittsburgh.
This process has taken years to develop, working with the architects and working with the financing and trying to make this happen. And this expanding this clinic to almost 3 times what it currently is.
It's a $14 million expansion now underway at the Freeman Physicians Group of Pittsburgh Oncology Services facility. The existing 4,500 square foot building will receive a 12,000 square foot addition, more than doubling the oncology department in size, offering more chemotherapy chairs, a compound pharmacy, and a PET and CT scanner. For physicians like Dr. Matthew, who has worked in southeast Kansas for nearly 3 decades, the development is exciting.
We were struggling with the space constraints. It takes that away. We have much more space for our chemotherapy room, much more exam rooms, rather than run from one physician's office to another. It's easier to take care of the patients.
Specialists say this growth is necessary for patients, many of whom were having to go to Joplin or further for treatment.
The data says that when you have a cancer diagnosis and you have to be away from treatment, your outcomes are not as good as when you can receive the same high-quality care in your home community. I expect outcomes are going to go up, more lives are going to be saved, and this community is going to benefit.
Now behind me you can see one of the first structures that's been built on this site. It's concrete with walls several feet thick. That's because it's going to be the radiation ward, which specialists tell me is an important part of this expansion.
For traditional radiation treatments, high quality radiation treatments, and able to be combined with chemotherapy and access to surgery, this center will directly complement our Joplin campus.
And patients are ready for the new site to open.
With all our constraints, they have been with us and they are more excited than us, I think.
Reporting in Pittsburgh, Samantha Walker, KOAM News.
That expansion is expected to be completed by late 2026.